Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be making a lemon cake. Please remember to like this video as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you're new, a special welcome to you. Please remember to tap the subscribe button before leaving. Also, please share this video with others. Let's get started. In the bowl I have 1/4 cup of room temperature margarine. You can also use butter. To that I am going to add 1 cup of sugar. You can add the sugar to your taste. Now I am going to beat the sugar and the butter until it have a creamy texture. I am using a medium speed. Afterwards I am going to add 1/3 cup of oil. Then I'm going to beat on a high speed for about 6 to 8 minutes or until it becomes creamy, light and fluffy. At times, you should stop and scrape the sides of the bowl and then you start creaming it again. So guys, as you can see, my butter is ready. It has a creamy texture. It is light and fluffy. I will be using 2 medium-sized eggs for this recipe. So now I'm going to crack them into the bowl. Ensure that you use room temperature eggs. Afterwards, I am going to beat the mixture on a medium speed for about 2 minutes just to combine them. Normally, I would add the eggs one at a time, but if you add both eggs, ensure that you beat it enough, whereas it can be fully combined in the mixture. Normally I would use ripe lemon for this recipe, but today I will be using this lemon. It is getting ripe, so I am going to use a teaspoon of the zest. So I'm grating it now, then I'm going to add it to the mixture. Here I am adding 1/2 cup of yogurt. I will leave a link in the description box how I made my homemade yogurt. Here I am beating on a medium speed just to let it be fully combined with the mixture. Also, I will be adding 2 teaspoons of Benjamin food coloring. Three tablespoons of lemon juice. Ensure that you measure yours so you do not over add lemon juice or you don't add enough. Now I am going to save my dry ingredients. I will be using 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I am going to start mixing to make the batter. I am doing the cut and fold method. Here I am pouring the butter in my greased cake tin. I am using an 8-inch cake tin. Afterwards, I am going to tap it on the surface. Then I'm going to place it in my preheated oven and bake it at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. So here I'm just using the spatula to spread it evenly in the pan. A toothpick inserted in the center of your cake and it comes out clean shows that your cake is baked. After your cake cools down, you're going to use a knife to clear the edges. Then you're going to remove it from the cake tin. So guys, my cake is all done. And it is so soft, light and fluffy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please remember to tap the subscribe button if you haven't yet done so. Also, please do share with others. Tell them about Tamara's recipes. Ask them to come over and to be a part of this family as I post my videos every week, and I always try to create good content, so encourage them to come over guys, and I appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you enjoy this video, to thumbs it up as it helps with the YouTube algorithm, and please do stay tuned for more videos.